I've been ripping this dude on almost full blast for about 30 minutes. It's about 50 degrees out today. It's pretty red hot in there now. Yeah, about 12:25. It looks pretty red hot now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, it looks totally red hot. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna let go for a little while more because it's still going up, I do believe. And yeah, that's with no blower, no nothing, right? Just straight out of the box, hooked up to a propane tank, and about a half hour running. Anyway, I think that that clay graphite crucible is probably hot enough now, but anyway, I'm gonna let it go for a little while anyway. See the top's bubbling up a little bit, so I got some heat paint coming so I can, you know, repaint the tube, you know, anything else that flakes off it. And once it cools down, I'm also going to seal that that ceramic wool in there. I have some you know, ceramic wool sealer from when I built my electric furnace, and so yeah, we'll do that too, and kind of do a little bit of beginning maintenance before we use it in earnest. That's right. Peace, baby. Yeah, it's been about another 10 minutes. Time my thing. Yeah, almost 1300. 1295. Yeah, it's getting nice and red now. You guys can see that? Yeah, we're up to 1315. Of course, with no blower. But I'm gonna shut it down here now. I think that's enough for now, and I'll rig me up a little blower here so we can achieve a much higher temperature much faster. It's been about maybe an hour almost, so it'll still go up, I'm sure, a little bit, but kind of diminishing returns, I'm sure. So we'll get our blower hooked up. Peace, baby. Looks like a better color, huh? Oh, she hot still. She too hot for my patties. That's right, too hot for my patties. See that dude in the sunlight here. Yeah, much better color. Still a smidge dark in the bottom. Anyway, I think it's about cooked out. Should be about ready for use.